Welcome back. Goa Arts and Literary Festival will begin from 4th December and will conclude on 7th of December. Special books for children, special debut by Governor of Goa Mridula Sinha, Oxford University's pop-up book stall and special focus on Konkani literature are some of the major attractions of the festival. The festival is organized by International Centre Goa in association with Goa Writers Group.
Fortunately for us, our festival comes across also the Ambedkar Jayanti, and we are going to have two lectures, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Memorial Lectures. This year, as has been said, we have also focused on children. Not only children are going to attend, we are going to launch some of the children's books. And एक सांगपाचें म्हळ्यार अंदू मागिस्ता first time. Of course, we have heard before, but we have a special focus on Konkani literature also. I mean, Konkani writers will be participating in at least 3 sessions only meant for Konkani, like Konkani, the new voices of the soil, the politics of Konkani. It is not politics, but how Konkani has suffered in the past and continues to suffer at the hands of the so-called politicians, you can say, not everybody though. Rajmohan Gandhi will be here on all the days, and we will have different sessions scheduled for him.
Yeah. Also the governor is making a literary debut at the festival. She is going to be reading poetry and also taking part in a session on Hindi, where we have very strong delegations from Singapore, from Nepal, from Pakistan, and also from Australia. A very unique group of writers is coming here to Goa. For the first time ever, Oxford University Press, which specializes in translations, and those translated books, which include many in Konkani, are very difficult to get in Goa. For the first time ever, Oxford University Press is going to have a pop-up bookshop here.
Yash Fadte and Anura Prabhudesai have bagged the Geno Sports Awards for 2013-14. Yash had a magnificent year, winning a number of squash championships this season. Anura also put up a fine performance in badminton. The awards will be presented on Friday morning. This is the 15th year of Geno Sports Awards presented by Sports Journalists Association of Goa.
Executive Director of Geno Pharmaceuticals, Dr. Sagar Salgaonkar, announced the winners of 2013-14 Geno Sports Awards.
The awardees are as follows. Best Sportsman, Squash, Yash Fadte. Best Sportswoman, Anura Prabhudesai for badminton. Best Upcoming Sportsman, Nitish Belurkar, chess. Best Upcoming Sportswoman, Lifa Gama, football. Best Organizer, Paresh Kamath, Goa Athletic Association. Best Coach, Nilesh Naik, tennis ball cricket. Best Team, Goa India football team. Best College, St. Xavier's College, Mapsa. Apart from these, there are some other awardees. We are very pleased to honor 2 prominent international sports personalities from Goa. Shikha Pandey, the women cricketer, and international football referee Maria Ribello. We are also extremely pleased to honor a very prominent media colleague, Michael Sequeira of PTI, for his contribution in the field of sports journalism.
SJAG Secretary Kishore Petkar disclosed the details of the awards ceremony.
Our presidential function will be held on 5th December at 11 AM, Hotel Mandavi, Pandu. Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Sri Lakshmi Parsekar, will be chief guest for the function and will give away awards. Shri Dilip Salgaonkar, Chairman and Managing Director of Geno Pharmaceuticals Private Limited, will preside over the function.
Sports Editor Neeraj Prabhu with Senior Video Journalist Tulsidas Chari for Prudent.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.